Did you know that a simple kitchen oil could help your body break down blood clots before they become life-threatening? Most people think you need medication to deal with poor circulation, but nature has its own powerful solutions hidden in plain sight. Today, we're uncovering 6 incredible oils that can help dissolve blood clots, improve blood flow, and protect your heart, naturally. And make sure you stick around, because the #1 oil is often overlooked, but works faster than you'd expect. Hey there, it's Dr. Alpha. Welcome back to Alpha Vitality, where we empower you to live longer, stronger, and healthier with simple, science-backed tips. Blood clots are one of the leading silent killers worldwide. They can form after long periods of sitting, dehydration, or inflammation. And when they block major vessels, the result can be a stroke, heart attack, or pulmonary embolism. But here's the good news. Certain natural oils can thin your blood safely, reduce inflammation, and support healthy circulation. In this video, I'll reveal 6 of the most effective oils known to help dissolve or prevent dangerous clots, ranked from helpful to absolutely game-changing. So, if you're ready to take control of your circulation and strengthen your heart naturally, let's dive right into the first oil that kickstarts your body's ability to break down clots before they become dangerous. 6. Coconut oil, the surprising circulation booster. Coconut oil often gets mixed reviews, but research shows that its medium-chain fatty acids can actually help improve blood vessel flexibility and reduce oxidative stress. These compounds support the breakdown of harmful fat deposits and prevent blood cells from clumping together, helping your body dissolve small clots before they become a problem. For seniors, this means better circulation, more energy, and even a healthier heart. Try using 1 tablespoon of organic, unrefined coconut oil daily for cooking or in your morning coffee to keep your arteries flexible and inflammation low. But while coconut oil improves flexibility, the next oil works directly on thinning your blood and enhancing oxygen flow. 5. Flaxseed oil, nature's omega-3 powerhouse. Flaxseed oil is packed with alpha-linolenic acid, a plant-based omega-3 that helps reduce blood stickiness and platelet aggregation. 2 key factors behind clot formation. These omega-3s also lower fibrin levels, the protein your body uses to form clots, which helps existing ones break down faster and prevents new ones from developing. In one study, people who added flaxseed oil to their diets had significantly lower levels of inflammatory markers within weeks. Try adding 1 teaspoon of cold-pressed flaxseed oil to salads or smoothies daily. Just don't cook with it. Heat destroys its delicate structure. Now, if you want an oil that's even stronger at breaking down clots, especially for heart and artery protection, this next one is a must-have. 4. Olive oil, the heart healer. Extra virgin olive oil is one of the best-known anti-inflammatory oils on the planet. It's rich in polyphenols and oleic acid, both proven to reduce platelet clumping and support nitric oxide production, which relaxes blood vessels. Its antioxidant compounds also prevent LDL cholesterol from oxidizing, a key trigger for clot formation inside arteries. In fact, people following a Mediterranean diet, rich in olive oil, have a much lower risk of blood clots and heart disease. Drizzle olive oil over cooked fish or vegetables, or use it as a salad dressing base. Just remember, it's most effective when unheated. But while olive oil keeps your arteries smooth, the next oil has properties that actually help dissolve fibrin, the protein responsible for forming clots in the first place. 3. Castor oil, the natural detoxifier. Castor oil may not be your first thought when it comes to heart health, but it's surprisingly effective. Its key compound, ricinoleic acid, helps improve lymphatic flow and circulation, which aids your body in breaking down and eliminating fibrin buildup, the main structural component of blood clots. By stimulating detoxification and lymph drainage, castor oil supports your body's natural ability to dissolve clots. Some holistic doctors even recommend warm castor oil packs over the abdomen to enhance circulation and detoxification. This ancient remedy is still relevant today for seniors looking to keep their blood flowing smoothly. Now, if you want an oil that's clinically proven to reduce clot formation and support overall heart and brain function, this next one is where science meets nature. 2. Fish oil, the proven protector. Fish oil is one of the most powerful natural blood thinners available. The EPA and DHA omega-3 fatty acids in fish oil reduce triglycerides, prevent platelet aggregation, and even help dissolve existing clots by reducing inflammation at the cellular level. These fatty acids also make platelets less sticky and improve blood viscosity, allowing clots to break apart more easily and oxygen to reach your organs efficiently. Studies show that regular fish oil consumption can reduce clot-related risks by up to 50%. You can get these benefits by eating wild-caught salmon, sardines, or taking a high-quality fish oil supplement with at least 1,000 milligrams combined EPA and DHA daily. Before we reveal the #1 oil that works even faster to improve circulation and clear arteries, let's take a quick moment. If you're finding this video helpful so far, go ahead and tap that like button. It really helps more people discover these life-saving tips. And if you haven't yet, hit subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss out on the latest ways to protect your health. Your support truly helps us keep sharing powerful, natural solutions like this one. Now, while we're on the topic of natural solutions for circulation and heart health, there's something I want to share that ties perfectly into what we've been discussing. Since we're talking about natural ways to keep your blood flowing smoothly, there's something I've personally seen make a real difference: Moringa Magic. It's made from 100% pure moringa leaves and packed with antioxidants like quercetin and chlorogenic acid that help calm inflammation, one of the main triggers behind blood clots. Each capsule delivers essential nutrients: magnesium, potassium, iron, calcium, and all 9 essential amino acids that support healthy blood pressure, stronger arteries, and steady circulation. Moringa Magic doesn't just target one issue. It supports your heart, brain, and energy levels while keeping cholesterol and blood sugar in check. Many people who take it consistently report better circulation, improved focus, and even less joint stiffness, all signs their blood flow and energy are improving from within. It's non-GMO, gluten-free, made in the USA, and fully natural. If you want an easy daily way to boost your cardiovascular health alongside the oils we're covering today, Moringa Magic is a great addition to your routine. You'll find a link in the description below, and Alpha Vitality viewers get a special discount with free shipping. All right, now, let's reveal the #1 oil that truly stands out for melting blood clots naturally. 1. Flaxseed Oil, the ancient miracle worker. Black seed oil, often called the oil of the pharaohs, has been used for thousands of years to heal everything from inflammation to infections. Modern science now confirms its potent blood-thinning and anti-clotting effects, thanks to a compound called thymoquinone. This compound enhances the body's fibrinolytic activity, the natural process that breaks down fibrin and dissolves clots, while improving oxygen transport in the bloodstream. Research suggests that black seed oil improves nitric oxide levels, reduces platelet aggregation, and supports overall cardiovascular function. Seniors who take just half a teaspoon daily report better circulation, less leg heaviness, and improved energy levels. You can take it straight, mix it with honey, or add it to warm water. Just make sure it's cold-pressed and pure. We've covered a lot today, and here's what really matters. Blood clots are dangerous, but they don't have to control your future. By using the right oils, like coconut to keep your arteries flexible, flaxseed and fish oil to thin your blood, olive oil to protect your heart, castor oil to boost circulation, and black seed oil to dissolve clots, you're giving your body the natural tools it needs to stay strong and protected. The central message is simple: your health is in your hands. These oils aren't just ingredients, they're nature's medicine cabinet for your circulation. Add them to your daily routine, and you'll be taking powerful steps toward preventing clots, improving blood flow, and keeping your heart healthy for years to come. Your heart health is too important to ignore, so let's make this personal. Have you or someone you love ever experienced a blood clot or circulation problem? Which of these oils do you think could make the biggest difference for you? Share your story or tip in the comments below. It might help someone else prevent a serious health scare. And if this video opened your eyes to something new, share it with friends or family who could benefit. A single share could literally help save a life. You've just learned how to keep your blood flowing freely. But what if your arteries are already starting to clog up without you knowing it? In our next video, we're exposing 7 warning signs of blocked arteries in the legs and feet that could be putting your life at risk right now. Most people miss these early red flags until it's too late. Don't make that mistake. Click here to watch next and find out if your body is sending you a silent warning.